Let me hit you with some real talk. Culture isn't about motivational posters or free coffee mugs with your logo on them. And no, buying a ping pong table won't magically make your employees love where they work. Culture is built every single day through your team, the way work actually gets done. In other words, your workflow is your culture in motion. Think about it. A workflow with 3 layers of approvals that screams control and caution. A workflow that gives small teams freedom that says, we trust you. Go make it happen. The way your process flows or doesn't flow is the culture that your people will live and breathe. Now, why should you care? Because when workflows are broken, people disengage. Work feels slow, unclear, frustrating. But when workflows are smooth, supportive, and purposeful, people thrive. Here's what investing in workflow does for you. It boosts engagement because people spend less time fighting bottlenecks and more time adding value. It reinforces your company values. You can't say you believe in collaboration if your processes involve isolated teams. It improves retention. People usually don't quit the work. They quit the way the work gets done. And it drives performance. Smooth workflows don't just make people happier, they make your whole organization faster and more competitive. So where do you start? Audit your processes. Where are people stuck? Ask your team. They know where the friction is. Then design workflows that actually match the culture you want. Want more innovation? Build room for experimentation. Want accountability? Make sure every stage of work is clear. And don't forget about tools. Technology should reduce friction, not add to it. If your tools feel like extra work instead of help, it's time to rethink them. Here's the bottom line. If culture is how we do things here, then workflow is the clearest proof of it. Don't waste your money on gimmicks that don't fix the root issue. Invest in workflows that empower your people to succeed and watch your culture transform from the inside out. And hey, if you're looking at the processes right now and thinking, yep, this is why everyone looks so stressed, let's talk. Schedule a free workflow review with me, and I'll help you figure out where all the breakdowns are and how to fix them.